After the success of Taigun, Volkswagen is preparing to launch the Winters midsize sedan. According to Autocar India, Volkswagen will unveil the Winters globally in March 2022 and will go on sale in India in the second half of May 2022. The Volkswagen Winters has been on sale in many South American markets since 2018. It's due for a facelift, and that facelifted model will make its global debut in India. The Winters will be replacing the aging Vento sedan in India and will be more premium and spacious offering from Volkswagen. Like the Taigun SUV, Volkswagen might offer the Winters in two trim levels, Dynamic Line and Performance Line. The Dynamic Line would further get three variants such as Comfortline, Highline and Topline. The Performance Line will also get two variants, GT and GT+. The new sedan will share a lot of things with Skoda Slavia, which is due for launch later this month. So the engines, gearboxes, some interior components, switch gears, underpinnings could be carried over from the Slavia. This will help in reducing the production cost. Moreover, Winters will be based on the MQB Evoin platform, which is already being used on the Taigun, the Skoda Kushaq and Slavia sedan. At a wheelbase of 2.651 meters, the Winters will be as spacious as Skoda Slavia. Volkswagen will offer two turbocharged petrol engines for the Winters sedan. The 1-liter TSI producing 115 PS power and 170 Nm of peak torque, whereas the 1.5-liter TSI will produce 150 PS power and 250 Nm of peak torque. The 1-liter TSI will be offered with a 6-speed torque converter automatic, and the 1.5-liter TSI would be offered with 7-speed DSG dual clutch automatic transmission. Here's the list of features that will be shared with the Taigun SUV, and most of them will be exclusive for the top spec trim. In India, the mid-size sedan segment was believed to be dead with the arrival of lots of SUVs, but surprisingly, the segment is getting live back-to-back launches of new sedans. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay subscribed to Auto Comparo for latest updates from us. Thanks for watching.